Hi guys, it's me again, Fly With Me FPV. I'm not stuck in the tree this time. I just wanted to get this part of the video, a bit of a vlog before the footage that you will see. It's another weekly highlight of flights that I've done, compiled it, and stitched it together. Really interesting, this one. It's a lot of backwards inverted flying, a lot of rewinds, hula hoops, those kind of things that are incorporated in this video. And this video also has flights or footage from that iconic bridge that we have here in British Columbia. Very popular. I think the Drib flew it years ago, so watch out for that. And some other cool stuff. What I'm trying to work on now with my flying is trying to, I call it a freestyle pace, because there's a pace that is, in my opinion, pleasant to watch. You can't be too fast or too slow, and being too slow doesn't mean you got flow, and then if you have flow you have to fly slow. No, I think there's a right pace for whatever the type of flying that you're doing. So my flying is more on hitting gaps, flip-flops, trees, some of the rewinds, hula hoops I mentioned. So check them out, and this is what I'm trying to work on and incorporate on the flights that I do with my freestyle rigs. Hopefully you enjoy the video, and give me a like, or better yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're probably watching this in YouTube because I will not this is not included in the video that I'll post on Facebook. Anyways, give me a like, subscribe, and till the next video. Bye.